Hi, it's Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. What are we doing today? This video is the first in a series I'm going to do showing you the town of Puerto Morelos, Mexico, where we are snowbirding from Canada. To start off this video series, I'm going down to the port side and taking you on a tour of the central square. The square was completely redone last year and was dedicated on March 4th, 2021. The square runs along the beach and the vista is beautiful. The day I filmed started off a bit rainy and overcast. There were workers building a huge pavilion. The town's anniversary is on January 6th, and the word around town is that this pavilion is being erected for a ceremony to celebrate this anniversary. There are paved paths that meander throughout the park, and the square is still decorated for Christmas, and they have this huge tinsel Christmas ball set up for photo ops. The greenery in the park is so beautiful and lush, and there's lots of benches to sit on. They also have stadium type seating for events that are held here, as well as a central stage. Okay guys, we're gonna do a Maddie and Jordan here. Go up. El Centro, Del Centro. Yeah. Beautiful. It echoes up here. Kind of echoes up here. You can see all the way around. El Centro, Del Centro. This is awesome. So this is the park, the main square in Puerto Morelos. There are public restrooms available, as well as a great children's play area. new square is absolutely beautiful, and it's usually quite busy. Today's weather put a bit of a damper on foot traffic, but there were still some folks out and about. Next up, we're going to head out to the pier. The color of the water is still beautiful despite the gray day. During a hurricane, the end of the pier was damaged, and it's not yet been repaired. The pelicans love hanging out here. The lighthouse on a tilt is the signature icon for Puerto Morelos. It was damaged during a hurricane in 1967 and has been that way ever since. You can see the replacement working lighthouse behind the tilted one. If you look closely here, you can see the stingrays coming in towards the pier. They and the pelicans wait for the fishermen to arrive to clean their catch. They grab anything that is discarded. It's so cool to see them this close. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the square and the pier in Puerto Morelos. My next video is going to be a showcase of all the businesses and restaurants located around the square. Thanks for watching.